Hi, my name is Christina Holt. I'm the interim director at the Center for Community Health and Development at the University of Kansas for the home of the Community Toolbox. Have you ever had someone try to solve a problem for you without actually asking you what you think? Communities can sometimes feel the same way. Sometimes programs or policies are created with the best of intentions, but without hearing directly from the people who are most impacted by the issues. That's why participatory methods are so very important in community work. They help us move from making assumptions about communities, however well intended, to actually learning from the community. Participatory methods mean involving community members directly in understanding problems, identifying priorities, identifying assets, and creating solutions. These approaches recognize that people with lived experience are experts in their own communities. And instead of only relying on outside professionals or data reports, participatory approaches create space for community voices, experiences, and ideas. Some examples of participatory methods include things like listening sessions, focus groups, community forums, surveys, interviews, and storytelling. One example, I was working with a food bank that was doing strategic planning, and they didn't think transportation was a barrier for their clients because in their client surveys, they didn't see transportation coming up for folks. But when we actually went to the community and started talking with people who could benefit from the services, but who were not able to access services, indeed, transportation was a huge barrier. And so that greatly informed what they planned and what strategies they implemented. They were able to create a mobile market, a bus that goes around to different areas of the county, and to work on different areas of food access involving transportation. So that's one example of why it's so important to really learn from the community and those who are most impacted. Participatory methods also help build trust with the community. And people are often more willing to support our programs or initiatives when they feel heard and seen. Also, these approaches can uncover strengths and assets within the community in addition to challenges or needs. Participation can shift the conversation from what's wrong with the community to what matters most to the community and what strengths are already here. This often leads to solutions that are more realistic, culturally relevant, sustainable, and community driven. Community participation also improves long-term engagement and partnership building. If you want to learn more about participatory approaches and tools for engaging your community, please visit the Community Toolbox Chapter 2 on Community Assessment or Chapter 36, Section 2 on Community-Based Participatory Research. Communities are experts in their own experiences. When we involve people directly in understanding community issues, we can create lasting solutions that are more responsive, culturally grounded, and more likely to create lasting change. Participation isn't just a step in the process, it's what makes meaningful community change possible.